Hello everybody, welcome to the podcast. Every year, 16 December is celebrated as Vijay Divas or Bijoy Divas in India and Bangladesh. This day reminds us of stories of three independent nations, India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. In 1947, Pakistan separated from India and emerged as an independent country. The newly formed Pakistan consisted of West Pakistan, which is the present day Pakistan we know of, and the East Pakistan, that is the present day Bangladesh. Since 1947, there had been internal disputes between West and East Pakistan, but it intensified in 1971. After the general elections held in 1970, East Pakistan's Awami League gaining majority and its leader Sheikh Mujibur Rahman getting arrested. There were riots in East Pakistan and hence the government of Pakistan deployed its military and started the Operation Searchlight. Now, under this Operation Searchlight, it is said that innumerable brutal atrocities were done on children, women, and men of all ages and especially of the minority Hindu community. The situation in the erstwhile East Pakistan was worst, to say the least. The Mukti Wahini in East Pakistan demanded and fought for an independent nation separate from Pakistan. This internal conflict between East Pakistan and West Pakistan had become an international issue. India supported the liberation of Bangladesh and had also opened its borders of East Pakistan to take in the millions of tortured refugees from East Pakistan. India had also decided to wage a war against Pakistan as its army was responsible for the widespread massacre in erstwhile East Pakistan. In April 1971, the Indira Gandhi cabinet had asked General Sam Manekshaw to deploy the Indian army in the land of East Pakistan, but he refused because of the monsoon season, which was inappropriate for war, and also asked for some more time in order to prepare for a war against Pakistan. Sam Manekshaw was successful in buying more time. He also used it judiciously for preparing the army for fighting against the Pakistani forces. Finally, the war broke out. The Indian soldiers fought valiantly for 13 days, and on 16 December 1971, the war culminated with India being on the winning side and the surrender of Pakistani soldiers. On this day, Bangladesh was also liberated and Dhaka became a free capital of a free nation. And hence, every year on 16th December we celebrate the Vijay Divas. While India won the war against Pakistan, we must remember that there were losses of precious lives on both sides of the border. There has been many instances in history where the Indian army had fought bravely, lost their lives so that we can stay safe and enjoy the freedom. It is days like this when we get a chance to thank our army for the struggle they go through and the sacrifices they make in order to protect their country and its citizens.